So Meta just recently dropped a update. It's called Andromeda update, and it's basically changed how Facebook ads working forever. So how? So it's basically says Andromeda is like a new brain now. Before what it done, like it's you need to create some ad set, create lot of targetings, and now according to that you can test it. But for now, Facebook algorithm is different. Change like it's changed very much differently. Now you need more creative, you need more targeting, and you don't need to test on the targeting, but now you need to test at creative every time. And not just that, you need to have enter in the optimization field. So that's why you can use GrowTake AI, I could say. So how? We can update this platform according to the meta updates, so you don't need to think about any what the update going on or whatever. How we can handle the Andromeda update, I will show you. So now we are in the GrowTake AI dashboard. So I put the link of sign up link for GrowTake AI on my description on comment. Just go ahead and sign up for it. So now here you can see all of the platform. So how we can handle the Andromeda update? So now if you choose meta for running ads, so here you can see just select your goal and just type what you need to do. According to that, our AI will create different type of creatives according to Andromeda update. So here you can see it create four different type of creatives. It create four different type of video creative also. And here you can see all of the things how it's going on, and it's look like you are running lot of ads, but it's for just testing purpose according to Andromeda update. Now you can see it's generate four primary text, four headlines, and also the best part, it's create a AI targeting. You can say it select automatically AI targeting, or you can choose related targeting. Our AI will automatically find all of the manual targeting, or you can choose AI targeting according to Andromeda update. After that, all of the thing is done. If you launch your campaign, we have updated a option. It's called Creative Bank. What is Creative Bank? It's like here you can see there is multiple ad images and video. If you think you need to add more and more images according to Andromeda update, you need to test every week. So you can upload those image or videos you need to test, and our AI will automatically change all of the things. And the best part here, we also optimize your campaign day by day. How? I could share with you. So if you go to this same advertising tab and just go ahead and click on this little star button, so here you can see all of the results, like what your campaign going on. If you want to change anything, here is the edit and preview tab for it, or otherwise here is the optimization tab. In this optimization tab, if you turn this optimization, our AI will automatically optimize your campaign 24 by 7. And here you can see that from day number one, our ads get optimized by AI, not by ourselves. Here you can see it optimize enable learning phase, it's creative monitoring, it's checking the creative what's happening, and according to that it will automatically optimize your campaign day by day. And here you can see the headlines, the primary text, images. Here you can see all of the images video we select, and also here you can see the old asset, all of the things is removed or added. It's all by AI. So that's why if I give you a live example of a campaign, it's a sample. So if I go to this section, so here you can see we run a ads for the interior. Here you can see they get almost 117 leads in the cost of 54 rupees, and also they are spending almost 6,000 rupees. And the best part, AI manage and optimize their campaign day by day. So how? I show you in the optimization tab. Here you can see our AI will automatically start optimizing your campaign just like this. Here you can see the primary text, headline, and multiple images. Now I give you a real life example of a entrepreneur interior design firm. So it's basically a sample result which I'm sharing with you. Now here is the main part. If we click on this little graph button, and here you can see how their campaign is working. Now they are spending 5,440 rupees, and according to that they get almost 115 leads and the cost of just 47 rupees. And the best part, all of the things optimized by AI. Here you can see that optimize enable is start creative optimization, it's preparing the audience optimization and re-evaluation. And how it's working, here you can see all of the things. Here you can see optimization start working. It also like remove this primary text with this, and everything is done by AI. And the best part, here you can upload your more and more images, video, and copy, and just start testing. Our AI will automatically test, and which is not working, it's automatically remove. And it's same at audience level also. Okay, so that's the power of GrowTake AI. I would highly recommend. For now, meta ads is way more harder than before. So now just go ahead, growtech.com, and try this tool. I hope you love it. I will share on the comment, or you can book the demo call with us. I will be sharing all of the link on the description, also sharing the link of the Andromeda updates article link. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think you need more videos like this, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, or you can comment us for any other videos what you like. Okay, and thank you. Bye.